Hi guys, I'm Brianna.
And I'm Tyler.
And this
is TBH Plant-Based Reviews.
Today we're testing out Ranch by the Rawtarian. Alright, so we have 1 1/4 cup of cashews. I soaked those overnight, although it doesn't say to.
Got 3/4 cup of water.
3 tablespoons of lemon juice.
1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar.
1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
3 tablespoons of agave nectar or honey.
2 cloves of garlic.
3 teaspoons of onion powder.
1 teaspoon of dried dill.
And 1 teaspoon of sea salt.
Also to mention, we used fresh dill, not dried, so we used 3 fresh teaspoons of dill.
Once we have all those ingredients in the blender, we just mix it on high for a minute.
And the directions are literally to just throw everything in your high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Easy! Exclamation point. Here's the final product. We did it in our Ninja blender.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's give it a try. Let's do a spoon?
Yeah, do it.
A little spoon.
Spoon action.
Smell.
It smells.
It's a little vinegary to the smell with the apple cider in there.
I hate the smell of apple cider vinegar.
Not excited already, but here we go.
Just to mention, he's not a big fan of dill, but you need dill and ranch. And I'm also a little weary because there's no pepper. I love pepper.
I'll let you try before I say anything.
I think the texture is really good.
Yeah, the texture is definitely like a nice smooth ranch.
Yeah.
I like that.
So how does it taste?
Personally, I think it's too sweet. I would not do as much agave or honey or maple syrup, whatever you're using to sweeten it. I'd definitely cut it in half. Unless you like sweet, then you can go with that.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's a little bit too much sweetness. I tend to like my sauces or dressings a little bit sour and tart.
Yeah.
But it's really good actually overall. It kind of resembles ranch pretty decently.
Yeah, and if you can, like, the taste of the apple cider vinegar isn't like in your face. If like the smell will throw you off, but the taste is actually like okay.
Yep.
It's just the sweetness that kind of kills it for me on this one.
Yeah. But overall, would you use this as a ranch dressing?
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely better than
no ranch.
No ranch dressing.
So also, just to mention, on the actual website, the Rawtarian.com, we'll have it linked below.
It's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars.
From 70 ratings.
Which is really high.
So it's really good. So people love it, and honestly, I really like it. I think it's a little too sweet.
Yeah, but it's a really good base.
But it's a really good base, and I would just drown it in pepper as well, personally. But you could do that on the side.
Yeah, she's more peppery. I'm not as peppery. So again, this is going into personal taste as well.
Exactly. So I would highly recommend this recipe. Actually, I really like this one. I would say just maybe do 1 tablespoon less sweetener of whatever one you choose. You have options. I really like it, and I would give this one, for me, I would say a 4 out of 5 stars.
Yeah, for me, I would probably cut the apple cider in half and bump up the lemon a little bit because they're both acidic to me. Like, they're just kind of conflicting. I would drop the sweetness to a half, maybe add a little bit more salt. I'd probably give it about like a 3.5 out of 5. Just like not super into it, but again, ranch was never my super favorite. So
we highly recommend this one.
Yeah, definitely give it a try if you're looking for a ranch that's cashew based.
And adjust it to your taste. And if you find a better recipe you think will be better, send it to us and we can give that one a try if you'd like. Yeah,
and be sure to go to the website down below to the original recipe. Make sure you like it. Make sure you give her a rating as well and give her credit for the recipe.
Absolutely. She has a great recipe and a great website too. It's really easy to maneuver. So
lots of nice pictures.
Check her out.
If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to us and make sure to hit the little bell so you're notified of more recipes to come.
Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day and a good rest of the week. Bye.
Bye.